start recording. Market's just open. Oh shit. Wow. Well, fucking NASDAQ just played out. Yo, boys, another day, another dollar. First day back live trading New York session. If you do want to join me in live trading, this is all live. First link in the description. All completely free, boys. Just do not out of fucking love of the game. Just for reference, this is NASDAQ on the right, US 30 on the left. I do trade breakouts. If you don't already know, get to know. Join the fucking breakout room. Trade me live. Come on. Slap the cash on a fucking batio. Can't get in that. That was way too quick. What the fuck? US 30, nice wick out. I like that. If we were to come back up, fill this wick. Nice entry. Clean. Yeah, NASDAQ kind of pushing up again. I think I'd avoid that right now. I'd more so be looking at US 30 personally. Again, with the markets being so shit lately though, like I don't want to rush into out. Part of me wants to take shorts here maybe. See how it deals with this level. May go short on US 30. Nah, I'll wait for Nas. Seems to like be ranging a little bit here. US 30 has kind of broken this. Like if he was to go on 1 minute. I mean, in 1 minute, I'm not trading the 1 minute, but you can see there's some sort of structure, which I'm not trading that, but with the way the markets have been, you know, over the past however long, he took a fat loss, $1,500 loss. Bro, US 30 is going. Oh, bro, that US 30 short came in. I'm too hesitant with that. US 30's just dropped. That would have just hit take profit. Fuck. Keep in mind, I am on live to like 200 people whilst taking these trades and analysing the charts. It's my first day back trading New York, so I think the pressure probably got to me a little bit. I think I was alone trading and I'd probably taken this entry. But when shit like this happens, I adapt and you see how I go about it. And yeah, the reason why I did want to take that entry is because we initially wicked out to the top side above the resistance and then we started to come down with force. So it was a good entry. It was a good play. It was A+, but I just hesitated. So keep it moving. See how we deal here. That'd be it next. That'd be the next. Oh, that was a right shot as well, that. Dickhead. Let's see. Oh, what a move that was as well. Fuck. Did anyone take that? Anyone just take US 30? That shot that I marked up? Because that was a clean fucking shot, that. You got it, yeah? Sick. That's fire, bro. So look, what I'm doing at this point is I found the next support level. Obviously, you can see the support is very strong at this point. I'm kind of ignoring US 100 at this point, NASDAQ. It's just consolidating. Whereas US 30 is the one making the move right now. So I'm taking my direction, taking my attention to US 30 for this reason. As you can see, this is the volume. This is just wicking out and consolidating. So here, I'm basically waiting for it to now break this level. But I'm not only waiting for it to break, I'm waiting for it to break with some sort of force, which you will actually see in just a moment. I think I'm going to have to wait for NASDAQ at this point. That was a beautiful shot from fucking US 30 there. What a shot that was. That was an easy dub. Could still break this low here though. NASDAQ just ranging like he's been doing. I feel like US 30 still wants to go. But then you got these little fucking wicks and shit, so there is definitely buyers down here, but right. I'm short US 30. If I take the L, I take the L. No, this is what I love about fucking Lucid, bro. You can just drag this shit so easy. Stop loss. Easy work. Just having a bit of difficulty here. This is a late entry because obviously my original entry was up here which obviously is hit take profit. But I think if we can clear these lows, it may still want to drop. So I'll see. I'll probably go break even pretty early on this if we do get a move as well. Alright, let's push him. I mean, if I was to... I was meant to up my risk, I've actually under risked. I'd have to get a 1 to 4 if I wanted to get that $1,500 there, but... Right, 1 to 1's being clipped. Probably a good time to go break even, especially when there's liquidity here. Alright, I'm now break even on this trade. Oh, here you are. 1 to 2 about to get clipped. 1 to 2 just being clipped. Right, let's take profit. If you're on a funded, get the fuck out. If you took that, just take your 1 to 2 and be out. So look, boys, just for context, because I've started live trading New York again for the first time in a long time today, basically what I've done is to start off fresh, is I bought one account with Lucid Trader, a 50k flex account. I'm going to pass it live, and then I'm going to take it from an eval to funded, take a payout, reinvest the payouts into 4 more accounts, pass them accounts, and then go for the 10k payout. That's the plan. So this is the reason why I'm starting from scratch, and the reason I am trying to hold this out and pass quickly, but I decided at the end of this I'm going to do it, slow it down. But yo, carry on watching because we're still in this fucking trade. Come on, you fucking nitty bird, come on. Nasdaq's about to break up for a buy. I ain't paying attention to that though. In fact, I should have just fucking singled this shit out. Alright, I'm going to go to the 1 minute on US30 so we can see shit. Oh, that's a lovely 1 minute candle like chart. I'm wanting to trail from that 1 to 2. Alright. Whatever happens, happens now. If it wakes back, I'm going to trail. But if it wakes back, then I'll allow it. I've taken my 1 to 2. So my stop loss is at 1 to 2. I'm going to trail this now. And if we can hit a 1 to 4, you know, I'll take the full profit. Right, I'm out this trade. Boom. 1 to 2. Come on, the boys. Fucking W in the chat. So look, boys, there's the result. As you can see, right, yo, boys, this is the breakout room. As you can see, family chart, profits, P&L. Here's my live P&L sheet if you do want to go see that. If you want to join the live room where I trade live every day, it is here for free. Here's the results of today's trade, up $778. This is a brand new account. As you can see, we've got to make 3K. 2.2k left remaining. I plan to do this over the next few days and probably potentially going into next week. So I'm going to take it a little bit slow and just set a good example in the room and just pass it with proper risk management, especially with the war news and shit. So as you can see, first day W, and yeah, we should get this next week. Pass this account, and then I want to take the Lucid account to a payout, and then with a payout, reinvest into 4 more accounts. Now, as you can see, add account. The account that I'm currently using is a Lucid Flex account. It's basically in exactly the same rules as Top Step, and then I'm also using the Trade C platform that Lucid does give with these accounts. So this is the one I get. No consistency in the funded stage, so it's just like Top Step, and there's no activation fee. But like I say, boys, if you do use the code LOCKIN at checkout, you will get the full fucking 40% off or whatever it is right now. As you can see, this is a bit later now. The trades that, you know, happened and what took place later on as I made it in this video. But yo, boys, again, reminder, if you want to join tomorrow, I will be there 5-10 minutes before London market open. London and New York. Boom, jump in here. I'll be there live, free. Use the code LOCKIN on all your fucking prop friends. And fucking come on, splash the cash in your fucking things, batty old come on.